Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to show you the difference between a stock header system and our header options for liquid-cooled Triumphs. So to start off here, this is the first generation cats that came on Triumphs somewhere around 2016 to mid-22. And this was a separate cat that your header system came in here, went through the cat, and then went to two exhaust pipes out the back, and then we could put slip-ons on the back. And here we have the stock header system that goes into the cat. It's the same for both the first and second generation. So here we have the stock system, non-Euro 5 catalytic converter, and it weighs almost 15 pounds, 14.7 pounds. So the second generation is a Euro 5 catalytic converter, and the mid pipes are welded to the catalytic converter, which makes it a lot more difficult to get out. You got to take both sides of the frame rails off of there and twist it out, and it's a lot more work. So here's the stock setup, Euro 5 catalytic converter, 15.24. So here we have our xpipe, which will replace your cat. This here replaces the first generation one, and this is an exact fit. You can pull that out and everything will attach right to it and just get rid of the cat. Now, when you get to the second generation, you have to add these pieces in to get to that kit. Now, this is only good for Thruxton and Speed Twin on the 22 and later Euro 5 cat components. So let's talk about the xpipe. This is 304 stainless steel, mandrel bent, TIG welded on a fixture that makes it fit perfect to stock every time. And if you want to see more about the construction of this in detail, there's a video on the xpipe, so go check it out. So here we have the xpipe with the stock mid pipe and headers, and we're right at 11.18. So here we have the Euro 5 set up with the xpipe, and that's 11.38. So another solution is to install our competition headers, which is a full system, front to back, plus a muffler. This will eliminate the cat completely, run a crossover where the cat used to be, and you can run any of our mufflers on this system. So let's talk about how these pipes are constructed. And the competition headers, 7.19. So let's talk about the competition headers. This is 304 stainless steel, mandrel bent all the way from top to bottom, one piece. The flange is CNC machined out of billet 304 stainless steel. The O2 sensor bung is right in the stock location, so you don't have to worry about the wires being too long or too short. And these have been tested on the dyno. They're great for performance, great for sound, and as always, made right here in Gardena, California in this shop. So that completes our video for header options for liquid-cooled Triumphs. If you want to hear sound clips of these systems, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.